One day, David was driving home after a long night shift. It was raining lightly, the highway was busy, trucks, cars, and delivery vans were moving fast. David was only 10 minutes away from home. His wife had already texted him, "Drive safe, kids are waiting for you." Then suddenly, everything changed.
A large commercial truck came from behind. Within seconds, the truck hit the backside of David's car. His car spun across 2 lanes and crashed into the guardrail. The airbags opened. Glass broke everywhere. David could not move his left arm. People stopped. Someone called 911. Police arrived. Ambulance arrived. David was taken to the hospital.
At first, everyone thought this was a simple truck accident, but the real problem started after the crash. David's medical bills crossed $68,000. His car was completely damaged. He could not go to work for weeks. His family depended on his income. So David filed an insurance claim.
But then came the shock. The trucking company said David caused the accident. The truck driver claimed David suddenly changed lanes without giving a signal. The truck company's insurance adjuster said, based on the driver's statement, our truck driver was not at fault. David's claim was almost denied. His wife was scared. They had hospital bills, rent, car loan payments, and no clear income. David kept saying, "I did not change lanes. The truck hit me from behind." But nobody was listening. The truck driver had a story. The company had lawyers. The insurance company had adjusters. David had only his pain and his memory.
Then his lawyer asked one question. Did anyone nearby have dashcam footage? 2 days later, a delivery driver came forward. His dashcam showed the truth. David's car stayed in his lane. The truck was speeding in the rain, and it never slowed down before the crash.
David's attorney requested more evidence. They asked for the truck's black box data. They asked for driver logs. They asked for maintenance records. They asked for the trucking company's safety history. The black box data showed the truck was moving faster than the safe speed for rainy conditions. The driver logs showed the truck driver had been on duty for many hours. The maintenance report showed the truck's brakes had been flagged for inspection 2 weeks earlier. Now the trucking company's story started falling apart. The driver blamed David, the company blamed the weather, the insurance company tried to reduce the claim, but the evidence was telling another story. The dashcam showed the truth, the black box confirmed the speed, the driver logs raised questions about fatigue, the maintenance records raised questions about safety. David's attorney argued that this was not just a simple accident. It could involve driver negligence, company responsibility, and insurance liability. The insurance company changed its position. The claim was no longer treated as a weak case. David's medical bills, lost wages, car damage, pain, and future treatment were reviewed again. Months later, the case moved towards settlement. David did not become rich from the accident. That is not the point, but the evidence helped him protect his family from financial collapse. The most powerful part of this story is simple. One dashcam video changed everything. Without that video, the truck driver's story may have controlled the case. Without evidence, David's claim may have been denied. Without proof, the victim could have looked like the person at fault.
The lesson is very important. After any accident in the USA, do not depend only on memory. Take photos before vehicles are moved if it's safe. Get witness names and phone numbers. Ask nearby drivers if they have dashcam footage. Request the police report. Keep hospital bills, repair estimates, insurance emails, and claim numbers. Do not admit fault at the accident scene before the facts are clear. Do not sign insurance settlement papers without understanding what rights you may be giving up. And if the accident involves a commercial truck, evidence matters even more. Truck cases can include driver logs, black box data, GPS records, brake records, company safety rules, and insurance coverage questions. A truck accident is not just car versus truck. It can become victim versus trucking company, family versus insurance adjuster, and truth versus a false story.
So remember this. One photo can help. One witness can help. One police report can help. But one dashcam can change the whole case.
Follow USA Law Shorts for more USA accident, insurance, and legal case stories. Educational story only, not legal or insurance advice.